This one is sort of apples to oranges, iPhone XR versus GoPro Hero Black 8. Even pricing is drastically different, but I thought it would be really fun and interesting to compare some of the hottest, latest and greatest cameras out right now. I'm not comparing the functionality, of course iPhone can make a phone call and GoPro cannot. Instead, I'm checking the camera quality, and I am Zhiyun Smooth. In this video, I'm gonna check the video quality, the audio quality, video stabilization, super slow motion and image quality. So let's go and explore. I'm doing a video test for the GoPro 8 and XR in 4K 30 per second. So let's go. I noticed GoPro has more ultra-wide lens and more saturated than iPhone. Let's continue. Now I'm doing an audio test for the GoPro 8 and XR together, side by side. So let's check it out. Audio testing GoPro 8. I hope you are listening clear sound. I'm in the garden. Audio testing XR. I hope you are listening clear sound. I'm in the garden. Audio testing GoPro 8. I hope you are listening clear sound. I'm in the garden. Audio testing XR. I hope you are listening clear sound. I'm in the garden. GoPro has high pitch voice and iPhone has low pitch voice. Overall, both devices sounds excellent. So let's check it out. I'm testing super slow motion with the GoPro 8 and XR. Both are in 1080p in 240 frames per second. So let's go and check the result. Now I'm testing the video stabilization with the GoPro 8 and XR. GoPro 8 has a stabilization on and XR don't have a stabilization. So let's check the result. If we talk about stabilization, GoPro has hyper smooth feature which iPhone doesn't have, so that makes the GoPro far better than iPhone. So let's continue. Now I'm testing the video stabilization result with the GoPro 8 hyper smooth on and XR with the smooth core. So it's a gimbal versus GoPro 8 stabilization. So let's check the result. When I attach iPhone with the gimbal, so in this time the stabilization is as good as GoPro. Let's test the image result for the GoPro 8 and XR. GoPro 8 is not very good in the stills, so let's check the result for the GoPro 8 stills and XR together. So let's go. Come to photos, iPhone wins overall unless you need a wide angle. iPhone photos looks more pleasant over the GoPro, but does anyone shoot photos on their GoPro? I never do, but iPhone performs pretty well. I bought the iPhone for 2700 Real and GoPro 1800 Real. That's a big price difference. Battery life, I went out shooting for this camera test, both fully charged, and after 1 hour the GoPro was down at 50% and iPhone still at 79%. That's both the screens always on. For durability, GoPro is far better than iPhone, and I know you're not going to jump from the aeroplane while iPhone strapping on your head, but iPhone you can use for the family gathering or family adventures, and for the GoPro you can use for the high level adventures like skiing or hiking or whatever. But overall both cameras are doing pretty well job. I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments, and what you think is the best use of action cameras and what are the pros and cons you see in both. If you are interested to buy GoPro Hero Black 8, please click on this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I hope you like this video. Consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.